Welcome to this tutorial on creating and administrating a group. The colors and pictures on your pages may be different to those in this movie, however the functions are identical. This is a tutorial about creating and administrating a group. Let's assume you are in the All Groups list view. This Create button is located in the top right corner of the Groups toolbar. It's available on most group pages. Click on it. This opens a Create New Groups form. There is pop-up help. As you mouse over the label of any box, you must give your group a name. This text box is a WYSIWYG editor, similar to the word processor on your computer. Here you can describe your group. The buttons above it are for formatting your text. You can experiment with them to get the best effect. This switch turns off the WYSIWYG editor. Only use this if you understand HTML text format. In the drop-down menu, choose the category for your group. If you need more categories, ask your site administrator. Click here if you want to make your group private. These options may not be visible on your Create New Group page, meaning the features aren't enabled on your secure private network. You should discuss your requirement for them with your site administrator. They permit the creation and sharing of picture and video albums, files and events in groups. The tutorials on using these features will assist you. Determine the notification settings you want for your group. For additional help on notifications, see the How to Manage Notifications tutorial. Some boxes are marked mandatory, they must be completed. When ready, click here to create your group. You can return and alter the above settings at any time. Many website administrators reserve the right to approve the creation of new groups. This message advises your group is in the queue to be approved. If moderation is not operating, your group will be created immediately, and we can go to it. This little badge indicates that you are the group owner. This is the avatar box. One of the first things you should do is give your group an image by adding an avatar. This button appears when you mouse over the avatar box. Click on Change Avatar, and this tool will open. Click on this Browse button, and your computer's familiar file manager will open. Select the image you want. Let's try this car. The system highlights the image and adds its name in the file name box to confirm your selection. If these are correct, click Open. Make any adjustments you want, and click Save. Your group avatar is in place. The creator is automatically administrator of a group. Administrators have additional editing buttons on the group page. If you set the options to do so in the Create Group form, group administrators can create events, photo albums, and video albums for their group. See the appropriate tutorials for additional help on these features. And you can post photos, videos and create events in messages. Experiment with all of these to make your group informative, interesting and relevant. This is the home page of another group. You'll note, this group has no photo features installed. It does have several members, which is why we are using it as an example. Click here to open the member list. As a group administrator, you have a number of additional capabilities. For example, add additional administrators for the group, or demote an administrator back to a user, or ban a member. You might do this to stop a troublesome person posting discussions or messages in the group. More likely, you'd remove such a person from the group membership. There are other features on this page. Avatars and name links to members' pages, links to send personal messages, and more. Try them all, at your leisure. If your group is private, you will also find a button like this for an applicant member. It will enable you to approve them. Lastly, we'll return to our new Lift Club group, and assume you set it as private. As group administrator, you, and any other group administrator, will see this notification on the group page. If you click here, you'll go to the members list, which will contain the applicant member request, and the Activate button that we saw earlier. Even if you aren't on the group homepage, all group administrators will receive this notification. Click on it. We have 2 notifications in this pop-up window. The first is about the membership application, which we can activate from here. We also have the earlier one that notified us that our group was approved by the site administrator. Experiment with all of the options to make your group a success. Thank you.